आमचे 20,000 लोक आहा आमचे गोंयकार 20,000 families are earning on tourism in the state of Goa directly on taxi. तिंका शिस्त हाडपाची गरज आहा, तितून ट्रान्सपरन्सी हाडपाची गरज आहा, नॉट इम्पोजिंग अ एग्रीगेटर. I am totally against bringing an outside aggregator and trying to put them in place.
So this taxi also, this meter also should be stopped?
There has to be transparency. Now, तुझा mobile ha, it is digital. You will come to know if there is some sort of a mechanism. You will come to know in 1 second. You open, you just press Goa taxi. If you press, you will come to know you are going to Morji. This is the price. You come out with a mechanism, no? Our Prime Minister has said digital India. So implement digital India. No? Implement something which will help our local owner आमचा हेल्प कसो जातलो तोंडान सांगप ना. हू विल बिलीव. आता फाल्यां म्हाका येवन तेणे सांगले, तुमीच सांगले की बाबा आमी चलया काणकोण या ते इतले पयशे लागतले म्हणून. अरे अशेंच सांगले तोंडान. ते कळोंक नाका, येवंक नाका ते कितके पयशे ते कळपाक जाय. एज अ ट्युरिस्ट, एज अ लोकल आय नो. Tourist, how he will know?
So red card on digital.
Digital has to be digital. Has to be. Every tourist should know that in Goa tourist destination, tourism is transparent, taxi is transparent, rent a car is transparent, rent a bike is transparent. All rates should be online. They should know everything. To go from here to there is this price. The minute they sit in the car, they can just type this. They know the price. They don't have to ask you. इतना कम करो, उतना कम करो.